Hi, this is Lucas from Bolster, and I'm going to talk to you about one of the unique aspects of Bolster, and that is OpenQuote. OpenQuote is quite a powerful tool, so let me tell you a little bit more about it. If you click Get Started, you'll end up on the Showcase Builder. This is essentially a mini website for your company. So you can use this and link to it from any sort of media or existing website that you have. On here, you can set your contact details, a logo, your social media. You can download a QR code. So you can put that QR code on your truck, somebody can scan it, and they'll be directed to this public showcase. As well, you can give a little bit of description about your company, add before and after pictures. There's a company rating, and this is where OpenQuote really comes into play. From here, you can publish any of your existing assemblies in your catalog. When you publish them, they're then accessible on your showcase. Let me flip over to show you what that looks like. So on here, a customer could land on this page. They could then view all your different assemblies. Say they want a bathroom built, they click on that. You can have a custom lead form here. They fill out your custom lead form. They click submit. They're instantly redirected to the estimate. They can make their selections, and then they click request a quote. That ends up in your opportunities on your pipeline. You can click on the opportunity, fill in the dimensions, or contact the client, and then send it for approval. This really allows you to evaluate, for the customer to evaluate whether your work is within their price range, and for you to know that you have a valid customer. Something I want to note is if you change the URL to /catalog, that will remove this sort of showcase, and now you have just OpenQuotes. So this can be iframed into an existing website, and it's a catalog of all your published assemblies. I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions about OpenQuotes or Bolster in general, please feel free to reach out.